In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the same item to multiple boards automatically in Monday.com. If you've ever needed the exact same item to live on more than one board without copying and pasting or rebuilding fields, this workflow will save you time and keep your data consistent. We'll install a marketplace app and then use it directly from an item so you can send that item to another board in just a few clicks. Start by heading to your Monday.com home screen. Look to the upper right corner for the 9-dot grid icon, sometimes called the product switcher. Click that and then choose Marketplace. If you don't see Marketplace, you may need the right permissions from your account admin before proceeding. Once the Marketplace opens, use the search bar and type Same Item. In the results, look for the app called Same Item in Multiple Boards, published by Pioneera, and open it. Click Use App. If this is your first time, you'll see an install option. Go ahead and install and accept any permission prompts from Monday.com so the app can work with your boards. Next, you'll be prompted to choose where the app will be available. Select the workspace you want, then pick a specific board you plan to use, or create a new board if that suits your setup. For this walkthrough, choose a board like a client list, then confirm by adding the app to that board. This attaches the app's functionality so you can send items from that board to others as needed. Now, open the board you selected and go to the relevant tab or view, such as Contacts, so you can see your items in a table. Click any item's name to open it. The item view is where you'll trigger the same item action. Using any representative item is fine. The goal is simply to demonstrate the flow on a real row. Inside the item, find the More menu. This typically appears as a 3-dot or More button in the item's header or side panel. Click that and choose the option labeled Same Item Multiple Boards. You'll see an action panel or window from the app. Click Add to Board to start selecting where this item should go next. You'll first choose the destination workspace. Pick an existing workspace that contains the board you want to add the item to. Then select the specific board within that workspace. Finally, you'll be asked to choose a column on that board. This helps the app place the item correctly, and it may represent a group or a category on the destination board depending on how it's configured. For the smoothest results, make sure the destination board has the key columns you rely on for this item. If the structures don't match perfectly, that's okay. Many apps still carry over the item name and core fields, but aligning columns makes your data more consistent. After you confirm your selections, Monday.com will display a message at the top of your screen that says, "Your item is being added to the other board." You can continue using Monday meanwhile. That means the process is running in the background. You don't have to wait on this screen. Feel free to keep working. The item will appear on the destination board shortly, based on your choices. A couple of quick tips to keep things tidy. Use clear naming conventions for your destination boards so it's obvious where items are going. If you frequently add items to the same boards, consider standardizing column types across those boards to reduce cleanup later. And if you're part of a larger team, let teammates know that items might exist on multiple boards so they understand why they're seeing duplicates in different contexts. That's it. You went from installing the app to enabling it on a board to adding a live item to another board in just a few clicks. This approach helps keep stakeholders aligned without forcing you to manually recreate work. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.